Oh no. Bro, I need your help.
Why? What happened?
My PC became very old and I'm not able to play these games properly.
Chill ma, I'm there na. So guys, we have a brand new quest today. We will be building a brand new gaming PC for my sister.
Wow.
And let me tell you, it's actually a very good time to build a PC because all the brands have come out with the next gen platforms and hardware. AMD recently announced their Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. We have brand new AMD motherboards as well, DDR5 RAM and whatnot. So using these components, we can actually build like a next level gaming PC for her, and it's gonna be like one heck of a video, guys. I'm pretty sure.
Super excited.
Yes, you people will enjoy it, and also she will also enjoy her brand new gaming PC. And one more thing, guys, this video is going to be like very useful, knowledgeable for everybody out there because I'll be talking about the different CPUs available, which motherboard you should go for depending on your budget requirements, and a lot of important stuff, guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And for you, Sheetal, as I've told you, we will be building a brand new Ryzen 7000 series gaming PC build. And to actually make this more interesting, what I'll do is I'll do like a complete all AMD Ryzen 7000 series gaming system. So it's gonna feature both the CPU and GPU brand new next gen stuff from AMD. You can expect some next level performance over here. So before we actually dive in and talk about the components, I'd like to thank AMD for sponsoring this video. A big thank you to them. See, Ryzen 7000 series, now everything has changed over here compared to the last gen. You're getting a complete whole new refreshed look and feel also. You're getting a brand new AM5 platform, brand new Zen 4 architecture is there, and huge performance and energy efficiency improvements, guys. So first of all, let's talk about the Zen 4 architecture. So Zen 4 architecture promises like a huge improvement over the last gen. First of all, it's based on like their 5 nanometer TSMC process, and compared to the last gen, this brand new gen is offering almost like 13% IPC improvement, guys.
Crazy.
Double digit number, so you can expect like massive gains in performance as well as energy efficiency. And coming to AM5 platform, guys, that also has changed. Brand new socket design. So now it's actually based on like LGA 1718 socket design. That means the pins are now finally on the motherboard for AMD platform instead of the CPU. So this actually makes it like very easy and convenient, especially while like building PCs and stuff like that. And not to forget, this brand new Zen 4 architecture also supports AVX 512 AI computational capabilities. So machine learning, language support, and all of these support is also available right now. And now you might get a question like, okay, then what about the performance? What sort of improvements and gains you can see over here? As I've told you guys, 13% IPC improvement gains are there. So you can expect almost like 40% performance per watt gains compared to the last gen. And coming to energy efficiency, that was also like greatly improved, almost like 62% less power consumption than your previous gen Ryzen 5000 series CPUs. And last but not the least, they've also improved the clock frequencies as well. So all of these 7000 series CPUs can max boost over 5 GHz like out of the box, guys. That is almost like 600 to 800 MHz uplift from the previous gen. So this is what you can expect from the brand new 7000 series. And apart from that, you're getting a brand new AM5 socket, means brand new motherboard to hota hai. You're getting like X670 series and also B650 series. So if you're looking for like top of the line, best in the game, best in the market, right, you can go for X670E, and that is what I'll be using for Sheetal's build today. So you've got something from ASRock, it's a Tai Chi edition motherboard, guys, and also has like DDR5 RAM support. We are having some Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM, guys, 5200 MHz, 32 GB 16x2. So that is what I'll be using for your kit. And not to forget, for the RAM, we also have AMD Expo technology support. So this is like a simple one-click overclock solution which you can do from the BIOS.
Okay, keeping all that aside, which CPU and GPU are you using for my new gaming PC?
Now this is actually a very interesting question. You people know, right, during the launch, AMD announced 4 variants of the CPU in the 7000 series. We have Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 and 2 variants in the Ryzen 9. Now it actually depends on what sort of user and what is your requirement. For example, if you're like a casual gamer, you're a bit tight on a budget, you can check out Ryzen 5 7600X CPU. It's like a value for money CPU, offers 6 cores, 12 threads, and it's like great for gaming on a tight budget. But if you're like a good gamer, you do like you have like a decent amount of budget and you want like good gaming results, then you can actually check out Ryzen 7 7700X. So it's got like 8 cores and 16 threads, and this will satisfy your needs. But if you're a guy who's like total enthusiast, you don't want to compromise on the performance, either it be gaming or even content creation like video editing or these sort of stuff, you can directly go for the Ryzen 9. In that also we have the Ryzen 9 7950X, which is top of the line CPU with almost like 16 cores and 32 threads. You can expect nothing less over here. Now for Sheetal, since she's also like part content creator and part gamer, but she does a bit of video editing a lot, that is the reason I'm going for Ryzen 9 for you. That too, we have the 7900X CPU, which has like 12 cores and 24 threads. So this is actually perfect for your sort of usage, and you mostly game in like 1080p or 1440p only, right? And that is the reason the GPU I've chosen is AMD's Radeon 6700 GPU. That too, their Sapphire edition, guys. Very value for money GPU, I can say. It's like great for your 1080p high frame rate gaming, or you can even do 1440p around like 60 FPS gaming. So both these needs are covered. So that is the configuration we are going for her build, guys. And without wasting any more time, why don't we like get started with the build?
No, but this time I want to do the PC building.
What?
Yeah.
You want to build the PC? Now this looks like very interesting, guys. Girl building like an all AMD Ryzen 7000 series gaming PC. Now this is something you people have to watch. Though I'll definitely guide you how to do that. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's get started. So boys, we are finally done building my sister's brand new gaming PC. Here's how it looks like.
Yeah, and I think I did a pretty good job in building this PC.
Yes, you did. It looks actually beautiful. Though I did help her a bit with the cabling and stuff, and also gave an eccentric look to the whole PC, especially with these cables, guys.
And I love them.
You love them?
Yeah.
Good. So why don't we just quickly power it on and show it to the people how it looks like?
Definitely.
Oh wow, now that is what I call beautiful. Just look at this PC, guys. Minimal design but looks very elegant. Each and every component here synchronize with each other and results in this beautiful harmony of tech. Also, get a look at all of those RGB components. Holy moly, I can keep on looking at this PC all day. Alright, time to talk about the performance. Now, as I've told you, this PC was designed with both content creation and gaming in mind. Hence, we went with Ryzen 9 7900X paired with AMD's Radeon RX 6700 GPU. The AMD Ryzen 9 7900X is a 12-core 24-thread monster CPU with a max boost of up to 5.6 GHz, and there is nothing less you can expect over here in terms of performance. I've run some benchmarks, and as you can see on Geekbench 5, we got a single core score of 2197 and a whopping multi-core score of 18346. It's a great setup for productivity sort of usage, especially if you're like a content creator or maybe like a filmmaker, video editor, right? This PC can handle all of your work like a breeze, either it be photo editing or even 4K video editing also. A small suggestion I can give you is, suppose if you have like a little more budget to spend, then I'd advise you to upgrade the GPU to either 6800 or 6900 series for a substantial improvement in performance. But again though, that doesn't mean 6700 is a slouch. It's a very good GPU for the price point and can even handle 1440p gaming, and also the pricing is very aggressive for that model. Anyways, we'll be playing a couple of games right now, newly launched AAA title games that do a 1080p maximum ultra graphics, and see how this overall system performs. Starting off with Spider-Man Remastered. So as you can see, we were getting around 110 to 115 FPS on an average. Pretty awesome, right? Not just 1080p, you can even do 1440p gaming as well and easily get a consistent 60 FPS average on this game. Okay, moving on, let's also play God of War and see how it handles. Now, God of War is like a very graphic intensive game, and at 1080p max ultra graphics, we were getting around 70 to 75 FPS average. So just like this guys, you can easily play most of the AAA title games, even the newly launched ones, aram se on this All AMD system. And that is it guys, time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to check out an All AMD Ryzen 7000 series gaming PC build. Links for all of these components and parts will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.